Hello everyone, welcome to class 10 IT classes. Today I'll be explaining Unit 1 Digital Documentation Advanced section. In that we will study the first section today, create and apply styles in the document. So coming to the theory and practical sections of CBSE class 10 IT Unit 1. So styles and categories, how we can create the styles and categories, and how we can format the styles, how we can fill the styles. All these things we will discuss in this session. I'll just open the CBSE material also along with that, so you can understand how we can go through each topic. So first thing is digital documentation advanced, create and apply styles in the document. What do you mean by a style? A style is a set of formats that you can apply to selected pages, text frames and other elements in your document to quickly change the appearance. So you can select some style, you can apply that style to a set of pages or a set of paragraph or a particular text. So it will allow you to quickly change the appearance. In OpenOffice, we have different types of style formats: page style, paragraph style, character style, frame style, numbering style, and cell styles and graphic styles. So we will discuss all these things in detail. First, I'll open my OpenOffice Writer. For the documentation, we have to use OpenOffice Writer. For that, you can just write OpenOffice Writer, and you can open OpenOffice Writer like this. First, you have to install your OpenOffice, then only you will be able to see the Writer section. Okay. So when you are opening the OpenOffice Writer, you can see a page like this only. So the first thing is known as the first untitled to OpenOffice Writer, that is known as the title bar. Okay. Then next you can see the file, edit, view, insert, format, table. These things are known as menu bar. This bar is known as menu bar. And third, you can see set of other formatting section here or tools here. So these are known as standard toolbar. The third section is known as standard toolbar. And the fourth section, this section is known as formatting toolbar. So we have four sections: title bar, menu bar, standard toolbar and formatting toolbar. Okay, this is the basic idea of a OpenOffice Writer page. So in your syllabus, the first section is practical basis. Your first section is list style categories, select the style from the styles and formatting window. So we have to identify which one is the style and formatting window. For that, you have to come to this section, the fourth section, formatting toolbar. There you can see this icon, styles and formatting section. You can just click that icon or you can simply press F11. Okay, if you are pressing that icon, you can see this separate box, styles and formatting box. Here you can see different types of formatting. Like you can see, I'll write one line so you will be able to understand in a better way. Hello world, this is my line. I'm selecting that line and I'm applying different headings. You can see the changes. So when I'm selecting a heading 4, you can see automatically the font name is changing, font size is changing, it is bold, italics and alignment is left. So like that you can select different headings. You can see if I'm selecting heading 10, it becomes Arial 10.5, bold, underline. So this is different types of styles that you can apply. So these are the normal basic heading styles. Then we have character styles here, frame styles, then page styles. If you want to give kind of bullets, that kind of things, you can apply the list style. So these are the different types of styles and formatting. How you will be able to take it? Directly take it from F11 by pressing F11, or you can take it from styles and formatting option just by clicking the formatting toolbar, the first icon. So that is the first section that you have in your CBSE syllabus. Next section is use fill format to apply a style to many different areas quickly. So this we are going to discuss right now. Use fill format. What is the use of fill format? It allows us to give style to many different areas quickly. So we can just apply that also. For that, first thing, we will be writing 2-3 sentences. My style 1, my style 2, my style 3, like that. I'm giving some different statements. Okay, so now this is the fill format mode. So the second section is how you will use the fill format. So for that, this like a paint box, this is known as the fill format mode. So for first thing, you have to select your content, you have to select. After that, you have to click on the fill format mode. Okay, just click the fill format mode and select. You can select it from here also. I'm selecting subtitle 1. So you can see the paint option and you can apply that here. So you can see that changes. That means it is changed to subtitle. How you will be able to do that? You can just simply select a format, then go to fill format mode, then apply that here. So this is how you can use the fill format. Just think about, you have different paragraph, you have multiple pages. You can simply select that style and you can apply just by selecting the entire document or just selecting the entire paragraph. So this is the use of the fill format. Then third section is create and update new style from a selection. You have to create and update a new style from a selection. Just think about, you have a set of styles and formatting here, but you want to create your own style. You're creating a document, you want to apply your own style, your own idea you want to apply. So for that, you will be able to create a new style. How you can create a new style? So for that, you can see a box just near to the fill icon. You can see new style from the selection. So you can new style from the selection. You can. So first thing, I'll be creating my style. First, you have to create a style. So I'm just selecting hello world and I'm creating my style. I'm selecting this font size. I am taking into 36. Making it to italics. This is the style I'm going to create in my styles and formatting. I'm going to add this one. So first I'm selecting that style, then go to new style from selection. Then here you can give the name of the style. I'm giving my style 1 and I'm clicking OK. So you can see the my style 1 here. So I'm just selecting that one and I'm going to apply my style. I'm selecting it again. My style 1. This is my style. Okay, so I selected a different document and I'm applying my style here. So you can see my updated style is applied over here in my style 2. So this is how we are creating a new style. You can create your own style for your pages. So this is the next option, third option. So we studied about how to select the styles and formatting, then use fill format, then creating or updating a new style. This is just creation. Then how we will update it. If you want to update that, you can just update style option is here. There you can update your style. If you want to change that into some other font size, you can change and you can click on your my style and update your style. So this is how you can update your style. Then fourth option is load a style from a template or another document. If you want to take a style from another document, how you can use that? For that you have to create another document. So here I already created another document, and there I created my style, the same way how you created a new style. So I want to take this my style into my second document. How can I load that from a different document? So first we will just check what is my style. My style is this font name, font size, and just that only. So first we will be saving that document. I'm saving that document first with the name. So remember, whenever we are saving the document, the extension is .odt. So I'm giving the name loading. It's just writing the name loading and saving in the desktop. Save it. Okay. Now you just take your second document and go to load styles. This is my load styles. Opening that. There you can get an option from file. You can select from file option. Then desktop I saved it as loading. Opening that. So it will be automatically giving all the styles that you are applied. So you can see I'll try it again. Load styles, from file, and loading. Okay, so it will give you the options of the all the styles that I have in my the all style. So if I want to select a style from here, you can select the particular style and you can use that new style option here in the title 2. Okay, that is the fourth option. Then the fifth option is create a new style using drag and drop option. So what is drag and drop option? So just I'm creating new word, my style, and I'm writing I'm selecting this one as this option, changing my font size also, made into centered. Then I'm just clicking and dragging and moving that to here. So when you just leaving the mouse, you can see an option create style is coming. There you can write my style. I'm writing that one and okay. So that means the new style created just by drag and drop. So if I'm selecting that and I'm applying and selecting that, you can see the style changed from my second name. My style one is changed to just with the my style. Okay, so these are the different methods how we can use the styles and formatting option. So what are things we studied? Style from the styles and formatting window, just clicking the first section. Then how we can use the fill format, just clicking this one. How to create a new style, from here you can select a new style. How you can update it by updating. Then load style, saving from a or taking it from another file. Then the last one is drag and drop option. So this is the main section in documentation chapter, digital documentation chapter. So we completed the first section of create and apply styles in the document, OpenOffice document. So I'll come with the next video with the second section, inserting and use images in the document. Thank you everyone.